F1 explained in 3 minutes. Formula One for beginners. Cars racing at over 200 miles per hour, billion-dollar teams and drivers pushing their limits every second. This is Formula One, the pinnacle of motorsport. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Formula One, also known as F1, is the highest level of international racing. It combines cutting-edge technology, elite drivers, and global competition. In this video, we'll explain what F1 is, how races work, the cars, and why it's so popular worldwide. What is F1? Formula One is a global racing championship where teams compete in high-speed, open-wheel cars. Each season features multiple races, called Grand Prix, held in different countries. Drivers and teams earn points based on their performance, and at the end of the season, champions are crowned. How a race weekend works. An F1 race weekend typically has 3 main parts. Practice sessions. Drivers test setups and learn the track. Qualifying. Determines starting positions for the race. Race day. The main event where drivers compete for points. Qualifying is crucial because starting near the front gives a major advantage. The cars. F1 cars are some of the most advanced machines in the world. They feature hybrid engines combining fuel and electric power, extreme aerodynamics for downforce and speed, lightweight carbon fiber construction. These cars are designed for maximum performance, allowing incredible cornering speeds and acceleration. Teams and drivers. Each team has 2 drivers and both compete for points. Points contribute to the Drivers' Championship, the Constructors' Championship team title. Famous teams include Ferrari, Mercedes, Red Bull Racing, and top drivers become global superstars. Strategy in F1. F1 isn't just about speed, it's also about strategy. Teams must decide when to pit for new tires, which tire compounds to use, how to manage fuel and energy. A smart strategy can win a race, even against faster cars. Why F1 is so popular? F1 is popular because it combines high-speed action, advanced technology, global competition, dramatic rivalries. Plus, every race is unpredictable. Weather, crashes, and strategy can change everything. In conclusion, Formula One is a global motorsport where elite drivers race advanced cars in high-speed competitions across the world. If you want a breakdown of how F1 cars actually work or the rules explained in detail, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics.